the devil on your back. It's snakes in your grass, no net. Slow down, don't crash, no net. And it's so lonely at the top. Everything changed on me. I don't fuck with them niggas, so they hate on me.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. We've been back after a long hiatus. A lot of things in life done changed, you feel me? A lot of moves, a lot of car swap ups, you feel me? But we got a new project on the channel. It's different than what I usually do. You know, I usually deal with the old schools, Chevys, G bodies, same thing. But Verts, I'm an old school type of guy. I did mess with the Mustangs, but this not my first JDM, but this my first JDM I'ma put my love into, you feel me? So it's like, got a new build to the channel. I'm not gonna say I'm about the full-blown show car, but it's gonna be one of the cleanest dailies you gonna see. We done already got it halfway mounted up. I ain't gonna be able to show y'all that. That's gonna be for next video. This video, I'm about to just give y'all a quick overview and show y'all what we tackling today. Be right back. Without further ado, this is my 2000 Acura TL. Has about 150K if I'm not mistaken. Definitely pretty clean. The paint job is cleaner than I thought. I can't show y'all the other side because it's already mounted up, but it's an overall clean car. It just needs some cosmetic work, that's all. Headlights need to get probably sanded and re-cleared. I'm gonna do all the trimming gold. That should already get you a hint of what's going on there. Reason why I really love the car. Interior is mint. It has the CarPlay with the backup camera. I installed that months ago before I even bought the car. But overall, and it got the sunroof. So it's like, I can't turn down nothing like this, man. This is my speed. It's not my speed, but it is my speed at the same time. But overall, it's clean, man. It's clean. Just to go over with what we're doing today. The car runs great. The radiator is leaking a tiny bit. So instead of paying somebody to do it, we're about to DIY. Already got the tools. I'm about to let the coolant drain. Then I'm gonna take the fans off, take the radiator off. I'm actually going to, oh, they over here, put these hood struts on because the hood is currently not sitting up all the time. So gonna lock that in. I can't show y'all the full, but it's, you know, we got an aggressive stance over there. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated as I start to take things apart. Peace. First order of business is to make sure we don't gotta use this broomstick no more. So we got these old hood struts. Then we got the brand new ones. Then we got the strut balls to come with them. I'm gonna end up I know I probably can just pop them onto there, but I'm gonna pop the chrome on. Why not? And I'm probably gonna end up going gold on them anyway, so I'll probably end up popping them off when I paint everything gold. Gonna try to clean this up, go gold with the nuts. We're gonna clean the engine bay up. Probably gonna end up putting the colder intake in here. But as y'all can see, here is our main culprit right here, this radiator. Gonna drain it, pop this off, pop these off. Actually, I'll probably pop the fans off, take the battery out, then pop these off, then pull the radiator back out. Then we got the new one over here. Just swap the fans right on over. There ain't nothing wrong with the fans, so we good. Y'all stay tuned, we working. It hit different. Little update, as y'all can see, old radiator definitely was leaking. We got the brand new one in. We got the fans bolted back up. Next, I'm gonna just reclamp the hoses, put the battery back in. The only issue that I was running into initially, I'm not sure if you can see it, but all the way down there, this radiator came with some transmission cooler fittings, but this car didn't already have them on the old one, so I'm just gonna have to plug those. So I'm probably gonna do that before I end up burping the car. But yeah, the radiator's completely in, everything's plugged in. Put that battery back in, put the hoses in the battery, put the black piece back on, then it's time to burp this thing. Let's do it. What it do, YouTube? This gonna be my closing. It's like 2 hours later. I done knocked the radiator out, replaced everything, let it run so the system get the air out. The fans cut on, got the operating temp, ain't overheating or nothing. I'm still gonna test it in a couple hours. I done also put the wheels on the other side. Y'all can't see that. That's gonna be the next video, unveiling my wheels. You ain't got them on this car, I can guarantee you. Overall, it's a solid car. More so next, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do with the paint. Interior wise, decide, just seeing what everything that works and don't work. Sunroof works. The seats are good, so we got a good starting point. Shout out to my girlfriend, you feel me? She the reason why I do what I do. I'm not gonna lie to you. But y'all tap in, subscribe to the channel. We about to run this back up to, I'll probably say about 5,000, 10,000 first week. If I don't, I will, but I'm not even gonna say that. But y'all tune in, subscribe, show love. Peace.
Cute. With a hole in my boat, niggas throwing low blows when you're back against the rope. Nigga try and play it close just so they can cut your throat. Life shit so confusing, I go for what I know.